And thank you so much for joining me. I'm your host, Eric. We're going to continue on with our winter weather coverage, so I'm going to see how fast I can do this because I have other updates that I meant to add on here, and I've been having technical problems with my camera today. So I really apologize about that, but I am getting everything on here and ready to go. Okay, so let's talk about the weather here. We're going to go ahead and show you what's going on the satellite and composite. And this is what we have going on so far. We've got winter weather advisories. We've got winter storm. Winter storm warnings extend all the way in this part of the Midwest. And you can see that the winter storm warnings extend all the way from this part of the Midwest all the way on up towards Chicago, Illinois. So that technically means that you guys are going to be seeing more snow as well. So stay tuned. We'll talk about all of that, first the snow and everything, because it's going to be a mess by the time it gets to you. So technically there's still time. It's going to be a while, but it is going to affect a lot of us in some way. So stay tuned for that. And then over in Michigan, we did talk about winter weather advisory setting up for that location over there. I'll actually bring up the map a little bit closer in detail so you can see that general area a little bit closer. But there are winter weather advisories over in the western parts of Michigan. That section right there, and then in Ohio, and that there's actually winter weather advisories that are set up over there, and it actually extends a little bit further. And way back in this part of the Midwest, way over farther, there's actually a winter weather advisories, and there's a winter storm warnings that are in effect for these areas as well. So a lot of action going on, and then you can actually see that there's actually we've got all of this rain and stuff that's actually developing, and that's actually part of our system that is a major winter storm. So that's what we have going on. So we have not seen the end of this yet. So this is how we look at things so far. We'll kind of get to our active forecast, and that is happening right now. Give me one moment. This has just been the busiest day I've ever had. That is for sure. One moment. Okay, finally I was able to bring it back up. All right, so basically what I was talking about is that we are going to be seeing some very active weather, and there it is. So this is actually our Monday, and we'll actually roll it through so I can actually show you what's happening here, so that way I'm not behind or anything. I'm trying to fit everything in of stuff that I wasn't able to get in technically because there were a lot of updates throughout the morning and throughout the day, so everything was behind, and then I was having a problem with something else. So technically it has really been a really wild day. So there's actually snow activity generally up in the Canada area up there, and there's some snow activity going on in Michigan right there, and even in northern Michigan up there, there's a little bit of action going on over there. There's actually some darker blue, so there could actually be some heavy snow with that, so kind of stay tuned. If you live up in that area, you might want to think about getting your shovels and stuff like that. And then we're also going to be talking about that potential as well. So hopefully you got everything that you needed. Hopefully you went to the store, that grocery store, and got what you needed and got supplies and extra food and stuff. Because with the exception of all of these active systems, I'm not quite sure technically if a lot of us are going to be able to get out and about. Because it's rather going to be a mess than more so. So we'll have to see where that goes. So all of this snow is actually going to push away, and it's actually going to stay in the Canada so it's going to continue to move. And then in Michigan, everything stays fairly quiet. Most of the Midwest, for the most part, stays fairly quiet. So I have some breaks in the action, and then there's a little bit of snow in this section over here, a little bit of rain going on right here. But as you can see, we're going to get breaks in between the storm systems. Excuse me. And then things are going to start up automatically again, and it's actually going to be bumper to bumper. So I'm going to show you how active it's going to get and how interesting it's going to get. So technically, we're going to get breaks during the day tomorrow, but then things are really going to start cranking up again and get very active around here. So that's really going to cause some concern and some issues in traveling as well. So that's what's basically in the picture, and that's what's actually in store for us across the Midwest. So hopefully you're prepared for the worst of it, because this is actually going to be our greatest potential and biggest potential that we've ever seen in a long time. So that's another thing that's going to be exciting as well. So some sections of the Midwest continue to be on the quiet side. There's no active weather or anything, nothing going on at all. But you can see now that the Midwest is starting to filter back with more active weather. You can see this is actually our models for our Monday that I'm showing you right now. So as we go into our Monday, we're going to see the snowstorm really continue to develop and get a little more intense, actually stronger of a storm. So it's really going to really be a very stronger storm, and it's actually going to be quite big. So that's the whole thing about this. So we've got the freezing rain, we've got the sleet, and we've got rain, we've got heavy snow behind that, and I'm going to show you what's happening. So as this storm system continues to move, here comes the next potential for a snowstorm, which is tomorrow. So it's making its move. There's the heavy snow that you can see in the darker blue. And as we continue to go throughout the day, the major winter snowstorm will continue. And then as we go into Tuesday, this does continue for all of us. So there's going to be a lot of problems. So hopefully you're prepared, because this thing is really going to take its aim at the Midwest, and definitely. And then Michigan, Chicago, and that, be prepared, because you've got snow that's going to be headed in your direction, and it looks like it's going to be heavy snow. We'll talk about snow accumulations, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be quite interesting when this thing gets going. So we're going to continue. So you can see that the snow is really beginning to push on into Michigan, all the way in these parts of the Midwest. Then we have that wintry mix. We've got the freezing rain right here, and we've got the sleet, and then we've got the rain. So you can see that all of the snow is starting to filter in, and it's starting to get widespread. And then you can see the wintry mix that's beginning to affect the Northeast as well. And then down in the South, I think Ohio, I think it's probably going to be very, very messy for you guys. So it's actually part of that wintry mix as well. So just be careful, because travel is going to be a little bit tricky as we get into our Tuesday as well. And it's not over yet either, because you can see all the snow that continues. It's just going to be, it's just going to continue to stay active throughout our Tuesday, and this does not stop at all. We're going to have that wintry mix just south of Michigan. Just south of Michigan, there's actually a wintry mix. There's actually sleet, and there's freezing rain, but more so there's sleet just south of Michigan. So I'm actually going to keep a really close eye on that. So it's actually south of Michigan, so that's not going to affect us right now because mainly Michigan is going to be seeing snow out of this from what I can see. So that's pretty much that's what the computer is saying, and I was right. So snow is going to continue. Looks like there's going to be some heavy activity that's going to be happening, and this is right on through our Tuesday. Hopefully you got the shovels and you got all of that stuff that you're going to need because I'm not quite sure if a lot of us are going to get out to get to the store and stuff. Hopefully you guys stock up on some stuff just in case you're not able to get out. Uh, so uh, it is going to be very, very active for our Tuesday, and definitely, and all of this snow is widespread, and it is over top of Michigan, Chicago, Illinois. All of this whole area right here is just really, really busy, and then it goes over top of this section of the Midwest, all the way over towards Michigan, covering up Michigan, and then Canada, and then into the Northeast. Over in the Northeast right here, there's actually a wintry mix with some sleet going on over there, and then there's some rain with that as well. So it is going to be a mess as well for our Tuesday. So that is going to continue. Snow is not going anywhere. That is going to continue to impact the Midwest. It's going to impact Michigan, the Northeast. There's going to be a wintry mix. There's going to be some snow. Probably some heavy activity, possibly, and then there's going to be some sleet right there, freezing rain as well. But there's a lot of snow with this, and then in the upper parts of Michigan, there's going to be some action going on for you, but it's not going to be any heavy amounts of activity. We'll have to keep an eye on that. That's going to be very watchful. So this storm is really going to pound Michigan, and the snow is not going anywhere anytime soon. It's going to actually park itself, and it's going to stick around, and it's actually going to take quite a while before that gets out of there. So it's very widespread snow, and it extends very, very far, and it just goes a long way. So you can see it goes from this part of the Midwest all the way into Michigan, Detroit, Michigan, Canada, and the Northeast, and there's a wintry mix in store, and that's what's going on over there. So it is actually a mess, and then we've got snow over here, still in the Midwest, so there's actually areas that are not technically getting anything at all. So as we continue to go on with the weather forecast here, now we're talking about Wednesday. Snow is going to continue to hit Michigan, so this is going to be a very interesting storm system, unfortunately. So Wednesday, snow is still in the forecast. It's still going to. This snow is going to be ongoing. This is going to be snow that is going to be unstoppable. It isn't going to stop. It's going to be active. And then in the Canada area, there's going to be snow for you guys. And then in the Northeast, looks like you guys are going to get some heavy action. And then there's going to be winter mix as well. And there'll be sleet, freezing rain as well. So that's what's going on. So a lot of action going on for our Wednesday there. That will start our Wednesday as well. And that's for January the 27th. And then as we continue to go on through the day on Wednesday, snow really, really continues. And you can see all of the snow and how spread out it is. And it just continues to go. So we most definitely will need our shovels. Definitely in Michigan, I can tell you that. So that is going to be a big surprise how much snow that we are going to see. So I'm going to tell you, the worst of it is not over yet. It is not over. So after this snow actually stops, then there's actually more activity behind that. So we're going to get breaks in between, but then there's actually going to be more snow that does actually come right back at us again. So there's going to be several rounds of snow going on. So it's going to be a very, very active pattern for all of us, but we will get a break from some of this activity eventually. It's just going to be overly active um, for most of Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So it's going to get quite active for those couple of days. So we've got the snow over here in the northeast, and then you can see how it's all broke up and everything where there's nothing on the GFS models right there. Then we got snow over here on Lake Michigan, the upper Michigan, and then this section of the Midwest has some snow going on, but there is actually nothing going on over there. Quite quiet activity. So for the most part, that's what's going on. And then as we go into the day on Thursday, snow activity will continue across the Midwest. Michigan, you're still going to see some action. You're still going to see some snow as well. And then the Northeast, you guys are going to see some snow, and that is going to continue. And then further towards the south, way down over here, you guys are going to have some more snow action, possibly some heavy snow activity as well, and that is going to be another burst of energy right there for you guys, and that is actually for Thursday. So either or, the snow is just going to be ongoing and unstoppable, but we are going to technically start clearing out, and things are going to calm down for a little bit, so you can see that there's still snow in parts of the Midwest and everything. And then after that, things start to calm down for a little bit, and then you can see that nothing's going on after that. So let's actually look into something really good. So Thursday, we still have all this action going on still. But you can see that things are starting to clear out a little bit. Things are kind of quiet. Things are dying down where there's no activity. But as we continue to go on with our Thursday and Friday, here comes some more action. We've got some more snow, and we've got some freezing rain going on. And then for Michigan, more snow is in the forecast as well. Up in Michigan, you guys will see some snow as well. And in the Northeast, you guys will have some snow still. And then Canada, Ontario area, you guys are going to have some more snow that you're going to have to deal with. So it's just going to be a mess no matter where you go. We'll just have to see how things work out here. So as we continue for Friday, you can see that things are starting to wind down. Things are starting to calm down in Michigan. And then the snow that we had in Michigan, you can see that snow action is starting to move. And it's going to be pushing into Canada. And then the Northeast is going to be seeing more action